Hi, here we have a 2007 Audi A4 Quattro 3.2 V6 with the key stuck in this ignition cylinder. It was, not anymore. I did a lot of Google search, a lot of fixes that people went through, and none of them worked out for me. So I had to do it my way. And this was much more like an accidental discovery. The thing I noticed was the cable wasn't moving. This is the cable. And I looked up and I looked down right here and I saw that there wasn't much movement. This is the cable itself. And then I just happened to open this screw here. The screw is open now. And all I did was push this back or move it forward, whichever way works for you. And boom, the key was out. If nothing works for you, try this fix. If it works for you, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.